See that? I was cooking it while I was on Rhonda's red sauce live. Ooh, mama love her some tail. Ooh, yeah. Be careful with that fish sauce. It tastes good. It don't smell so good. And it's a little unforgiving if it gets on other places besides from food in your mouth. I love this. I don't know why.
Diversity. Miss Diversity. This is the
It's your girl, Miss Diversity, coming at you. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Y'all, today I am bringing you a whole fried snapper mukbang plus white rice. So the menu today, y'all, we have a whole fried snapper. I made this Asian style. Well, what I call it Asian style because I use Asian flavors to make it. So, and I also have some white rice. So on this snapper, I put some fish sauce, I put some sugar, I put some ginger, I put some garlic paste, I put a little earth balance butter, I put a little sazon. Yeah, that's not Asian. I know it's Spanish, but I put it on there. What else did I put on there? We have some little sweet red pepper, sweet orange pepper, some green onions. Oh, and lemon pepper. And then I have some fish sauce back here to dip. This is called like dressed fish sauce. That's what they call it. Okay. And this is courtesy of my daughter's Benoit. She made this, and the longer you keep it, the longer it's set, the better it tastes, y'all. I can't wait. To drink, we have some H2O as always. Stay hydrated. Y'all, there was a little cut because I left my water over there. I was drinking and cooking. Yeah, I'll be drinking water too. Yeah. And also, y'all, we have some of that Belgian white Zinfandel back in the building. You know his cherry has been popped already. We are using my special K glass, courtesy of my beautiful K, aka K from Cali. Hello. I already washed my hands, but I was picking, so I got a little greenery in there. Salute, house tippers in the house. Right, y'all, let's not hold off too long without further ado. Let's go ahead and give thanks and get to grubbing. Okay, whew. Ciao. Got me a fork here for the rice. Got me a little spoon here, double spoon with for the fish sauce. And I'll put some hot peppers in this fish sauce too. Would y'all be able to see if I took it down? Because I want to take it down. Y'all can still see it. I just want some rice here first with hot pepper. Go ahead and get your bite. You got it? Did you see it? My turn. I'm hungry. I'm gonna use you for that. Get into this fish. I think I'm gonna start from this part here, y'all. And so what I did, I steamed this first and then I fried it. Y'all, I did all of that in my air fryer. Chunky Funky My Life Story, girl, you are the bomb. The goat. You are the goat, girl. Can you see that? I was cooking it while I was on Rhonda's Red Sauce live. Ooh, Mama love her some tail. Ooh, yeah. If you watch my vlogs, make sure this is recording. If you watch my vlogs, you saw when I took this out. This fish originally was purchased from Costco. I think it was 2 months ago. 2, maybe 3 months ago. There was 2 in there. I cooked one and then I wrapped and froze the other one. Then I thawed it out. Bada bing, bada boom. Like new. Like new. Be careful with that fish sauce. It tastes good. It don't smell so good. And it's a little unforgiving if it gets on other places besides from food in your mouth. Hell, in your mouth even is even a little function.
That breath smell like you've been drinking boiled porta potty stew.
Put you over here. I think you're safe right there. Right, the eyeball too. I saw the bones and tail, y'all. But it's a lot of good stuff in this tail too. It's so good to me. But let me stop being rude. How's everybody doing today? What are you eating on? What are you drinking on? What are you sipping on? How was your day today? Happy Friday to you. Happy Friday, y'all. We made it. Cue music.
You know what day it is, baby. You've been waiting on him all week long. That's right. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's motherfucking Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's motherfucking Friday. I light up. I lean back because it's Friday. Turn up. Chillax because it's Friday. Do whatever you want because it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. That's right. It's Friday. Yeah. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's motherfucking Friday.
It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's motherfucking Friday. Happy motherfucking Friday, y'all. I'm sorry y'all didn't get that last week. Did y'all miss it? Y'all, this is good. Look at that. Ooh, did y'all see that? Y'all see that? Let me put this down. You see how tender that is? You see how that meat just come on right on off. Y'all see that? Ooh, let me take another piece off. Look. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Ah. I know you see. I know y'all see that. Ooh, excuse me, huge burp. So have you ever had whole snapper before? And how have you had it? Stewed, fried, steamed. boiled. Yeah, I love snapper. I think snapper might be my favorite fish. I like snapper and I like catfish. I might do a recipe on this one. I have a recipe on a fish that I did. It was a on the Jamaican Independence Day when I ate with NENE. It was a whole fried fish too. Was it fried? No, I think it was steamed. Sometimes I just want it fried. Sometimes I just want to steam. It all depends on how I feel. But I think the best way is to steam it then fry it. It's a little bit more work, but it tastes so much better because you get that crust on the outside and the tender, juicy goodness on the inside. You know what I mean? Y'all keep checking to see, make sure it's still recording. But I'm recording the other way. I don't want to cut off on you. Good child. So how's your Friday? Hope it is well. It's not too late to make it a great one on purpose. I think I was looking in the mirror. I'm sorry. On purpose. Oh, this is so dang good. It's so good. I can't kill them all though because the girls gotta have some. Pop visiting his dad right now. I'll be back. Oh my God. I love this part. I'm gonna save him for a second so we can do our shout outs. Before we get too far, let's get into the tribe notification shout outs. And these shout outs are coming from, I think I have two to do. My first time trying a whole lobster mukbang, y'all. Child, that was a whole mess and a half. You hear me? Child. And also we're going to be doing the Vlogmas. I thought something was on my shirt. The Vlogmas 2020 day number 2. That's a little polo sign. Child, I ain't paid polo money for that though. I went straight to the Goodwill. Y'all, hope y'all are enjoying those vlogs so far. I really do. I think I'm going to continue like that type of thing on the other channel, which I was starting off on the other channel. Oh shoot, it's almost some low battery, y'all. Hold on. My apologies, y'all. Well, better it says low battery than no space, right? Anyway, what was I saying to you? Oh yeah, I hope that y'all enjoying the vlogs, and I want to continue doing the vlogs on the vlog channel like this. I think this is giving me this Vlogmas is giving me the extra to go ahead and do it. But on to the travel location shout outs, y'all. And some of the, I'm telling you ahead of time, some of the Vlogmas will be posted on the vlog channel. Okay? Because I don't want people who want to come just for the mukbangs to be bogged down by the vlogs at the same time. I want to try to do it every day. We're doing good so far, y'all. Ah! Cross your fingers. We recording? Okay, we're recording. All right. So travel location shout outs. So for my first time trying to host lobster. Ooh, child. The shout outs go to Christine Horton, Andrea Sis Biggies. Hey sis. ASMR and ASMR with Fatina. And then from my Vlogmas 2020 day numero 2. Ciao. We have Prathine Ellison, King Larry 415, and Miss PBK. Hey! AKA Miss Thank you so much for being part of the Notification Tribe. I truly appreciate you like always. If you'd like to be part of the Notification Tribe, all you have to do is be within the first 3 to comment on my video, and I'm going to shout you out in the following video. If for some reason I forget to shout you out on that particular video, I would double up, triple up, quadruple up on the following video I record and shout you out then. Long story short, you get your shout out, boo. Okay. Now on to the tribe. Insiders, y'all. The tribe insiders are tribe members who have elected to become part of the membership program. You should check it out. If you'd like to be part of the Tribe Insiders, all you have to do is click that little join button that's below us. It says JOIN. Click that little button and select which you'd like to be a part of. Or if that little button is not working, sometimes it doesn't work, I have no control of it, there's a link in my description box below with 2 little rainbows beside it. Click on that link and it's going to take you to the same place, which you can select which you'd like to be part of, and you can join the Tribe Insiders. And our Tribe Insider shout outs go to Chef Disaster the Master, Andrea Sis Piggies, and she's part of the Tribe Elders, y'all. She's dumping with the big dogs. Hold on, kiss your burp coming. Ooh, excuse me. Rejoice with Jeannie, Debbie Shoemaker, Into the Wow, DD, and she's part of the Tribe Chiefs, King Larry 415, and he's also part of the Tribe Chiefs, Chunky Funky My Life Story. Y'all, I am so sorry. I don't know what just happened here. I think some type of update or something. Because the storage is still good, so I'm gonna continue on with my Tribe Insider shout outs. We left off with Chunky Funky My Life Story, and said she's responsible for providing the air fryer to cook this wonderful din tonight. And she is part of the Tribe Councils. J Lab, and she's part of the Tribe Elders, y'all. She's stuck up with the big dogs. And she's also our pioneer. She was the first to join the Tribe Insiders. Kay from Cali, aka my beautiful Kay, provided this beautiful glass for me, and she's part of the Tribe Councils. And last but not least, Leaf the E, and she's part of the Tribe Chiefs. Thank you so much for being part of the Tribe Insiders. You're greatly appreciated. Thank you, y'all. And I turned the camera the other way so I could pay better attention to it. Okay, do it again. Okay. But we ain't got much longer here. Anyway, I want to get into this. I love this. I don't know why. I love sucking the meat off this part. It's so flavorful. To me, it is. Oh, child. And look, I took that whole bone out. So look. Nothing but meat, baby. Yeah. Do that meat. Maybe the stray bone or two. For the most part, not the meat. One thing I have to be a little careful about, because his tooth is open and nerves exposed. One of those little bones going up in there. That won't be fun. Yo, this is bussin'. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick some meat off to the side for Lele to eat. So y'all, in addition to this fabulous mukbang, I want you to drop your your December birthday shout outs in this video in the comments. If you have a birthday in the month of December, drop your birthday, your name, any message you want read off in the comment section below. It doesn't have to be your birthday. It could be your birthday, your brother's birthday, sister birthday, mama birthday, grandma, cousin, baby mama, baby daddy, cousin, brother, whoever. Drop in the description box below. Fur babies count too, okay? It's your babies. Drop it down, the name, and the actual birth date. Please don't put today. Like I always say, by then, I won't know what today is, y'all. Help me out. Drop it in this comment box because this is the only place I'm going to be looking for the December birthday shout outs. And y'all, I'm going to try really hard to make sure I get it to y'all prior to next month. I think I made about a little sliver though. I did. About 30 minutes Eastern time. I made it in. That fatty back part is so good. Snapper is so good, y'all. It really is. Mm-mm-mm. Look at that hot pepper in there. Can you see it? Okay. See that? Put on my finger maybe. If you don't drop. Oh, it dropped. I gotta retrieve. I gotta retrieve. Beep, beep, beep. Gotcha. That's Thai peppers. I take them and I freeze them. I got that batch. Woo, from my daughter's Benoit. Benoit is Vietnamese for grandmother. Sometimes she always have the hottest ones. I suppose I have to magic touch or something, because when I go and get them, they don't be that spicy. Mm-hmm. Mm. I love bones. Gotta be careful. I have nothing but bones over here, y'all. All that meat is gone. I think it's better to eat this type of fish with your hands too, so you can feel. You know? Mm. Mm-mm. I love some rice. Bring that back. Mm-mm-mm. You know it's good, and you know you're good. And it's healthy, too. Mm. Do I have any more announcements? I don't think I do. Not at the moment. Oh, y'all. I'm thinking about done here. Let's not eat that eyeball. Yeah. I love the eyeball. I do want to give a shout out to my sissy, Tasha, aka the Bells Bonds lady. She gifted me with some eyelashes. Thank you, sis. I love you so much. You know, when you look better, when you look good, you feel good. And she knows that. And I appreciate her. She know I've been pinching my dubbies, you know, trying to save up for my tooth. And I appreciate that. And eyelashes are not a necessity, you know. So for her to do that, I'm just grateful. I'm grateful. Thank you, sis. I love you so much. That's just salute. She made me cry. Okay. Eyeball. This is the head. This, my friend, is the eyeball. That's an eyeball. Here's looking at you, kid. I like this. It's like gelatinous goodness around it. And then it has like a little orbit sits in. And then you have the actual volleyball pupil. Not really ingestible. That's the little pupil in there. Yeah, I know it might sound nasty, but it tastes good. I love it. I like that cheek back too. Right here. I can eat this because kids don't like eyeballs. Oh, it's crisped up. Oh, that's good. That's real good. Dang it. I'll be up when I can chew the other side of my mouth, man. It's a little aggravating, you know. I gotta be grateful, count my blessings, though. There's people out there going to do worse than me. Just a little bit more, and I'll be done. It's fat right here. Behind that fan. Oh, that's good. I probably should have cooked two. I don't only had one in there. But it's good. This is enough. I'll be cooking something else. think I'm done. Ooh, that's good. It's real good. So good. Woo! That was good. Really good. I apologize for all the technical difficulties, y'all. Just this life. Salud. I'm gonna say something in my teeth. And there is. Y'all know you're not gonna tell me. All right, guys, welcome to the end of our program. Thank you for joining me on my whole fried snapper Asian style plush white rice mukbang. Like always, if you like what you see, you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe from part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on post notifications notified of any and every video that we release. Oh, kiss burp coming. Ooh, excuse me. Comment below and let us know that you're there. Share because sharing is caring. Y'all, please share this out. We can't grow unless you share. We really can't grow unless other people know. Share because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or dislike if it's your cup of tea, and stay tuned for more. And if you haven't already, check out the adventure of LELE'S got your channel. Her link will be in the description box below, as well as NENE's TikTok and You Don't Stop, and her YouTube channel will be in the description box below, and our vlog channel too. We're gonna start vlogging again. Check that out. It's also in the description box below. If you'd like to purchase any of your MD3 Tri-Vibes, part of our all-natural line, that link also is in the description box below. I'm going to add this in. If you'd like to donate to the MD3 All Pearly White Restoration Fund, that's the fund to help restore this. That link's in the description box below as well. And if you're local and like your MD3 lashes done by moi, wink, wink, I'm also a lash technician, y'all. That link will be in the description box below. Everything you need to know will be in the description box below. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces. Happy motherfucking Friday, y'all.
Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity.
We gonna let the band deal with this.